Alright. I don't actually know like any of this map. I haven't even note clipped. I don't know where I'm gonna go. But I'm just gonna be balling. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start off and just do fast. I can hear him. Oh, he's there. Is that blending in? You good, bro? Come on, like. Yo, why are you tripping, bro?
You know, I like this hiding place.
Why? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Do you not like the light? Oh, oh my. Okay, seems okay. I can't open that. I can open this though. I feel like there's too much going on. Oh! Why are you there? Why? What? I genuinely thought his like AI was not gonna be that good. I did not expect to just go there and see him waiting for me. That's terrifying. Seems like I don't know if he reacts with the flashlight. Come on. Come for me. What?
You know, I like this hiding place a lot better.
I can hear him. You ain't coming. You ain't getting me, bro. Oh my god, he's just destroying for everything. No, no. Okay. Oh my god, it's an elevator. It's an elevator. Good. Nope. 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 Wait, no, he's down here. He's down. He's down here. He's just going. Oh no 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 no! Please leave me alone. Oh. Wait, what? We're going even lower. There's a basement. I did not know there was a basement. Oh, oh god! Why is there a basement? What's this? Can I open it? Oh! Just give me a break. Give me a break. Is this is the main area? Oh hell no, bro! I'm going back down. Is that solitary? Can I hide? No, 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 bro, no, 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 no. Please no. Can hear him. Can hear him. Okay. What's this? No. What is this? Just glowing in there. Oh hey, hey there, buddy.
You know, I like this hiding place a lot better. They'll never find us here.
Okay, that really caught me off guard again. Okay, and I'm just gonna put myself somewhere. Let's see how this goes. It might not be that bad. Might not be that bad at all, you know. I'll live through worse. I can easily do this. Oh. Hell no. Can't even see what's going on. I just go around and it's just like oh, okay, I can't even get out of the place. Oh, hey. Oh, hell no. Hell no, bro. Okay, where could I go? Oh, I do not feel safe in this prison. So now that... Why do you just watch? Why are you just watching me? What? I'm prepping this cell. Come get me! One more. Let's do it with the army. joking. Move! Oh, holy, get juked. I need the elevator, I need the elevator, I need the elevator. No. Where are you going, elevator? Where are you going? No.